Off the coast of Portugal, a remarkable feat of engineering stands tall. This is WindFloat Atlantic, the world's first semi-submersible floating offshore wind farm. Located 20 kilometers from the shore, it is a symbol of innovation and a testament to human ingenuity. WindFloat Atlantic is a joint venture between EDP Renewables and ENGIE, two giants in the renewable energy sector. The project commenced operations in July 2020, marking a pivotal moment in the history of offshore wind energy. The wind farm consists of 3 impressive Vestas wind turbines. Each turbine boasts a capacity of 8.4 megawatts, generating a total of 25 megawatts of clean energy. These turbines are mounted on SemiSubmersible Platforms, a groundbreaking technology that sets WindFloat Atlantic apart. Traditional offshore wind turbines are fixed to the seabed, limiting their deployment to shallow waters. WindFloat Atlantic breaks free from this constraint, ushering in a new era of possibilities. Its semi-submersible platforms allow it to operate in deeper waters, unlocking vast areas of the ocean for renewable energy generation. These platforms are partially submerged, providing stability even in challenging sea conditions. They are anchored to the seabed using a system of mooring lines and chains, ensuring a secure and reliable operation. This innovative approach opens up new horizons for offshore wind energy, particularly in regions with deep coastal waters. Areas that were once considered inaccessible for wind farms are now viable options, expanding the potential of this clean energy source. Since its inception, WindFloat Atlantic has consistently surpassed expectations. The wind farm has shattered its own power output records, demonstrating the efficiency and effectiveness of floating offshore wind technology. In 2023 alone, WindFloat Atlantic generated an astounding 80 gigawatt-hours of electricity. This remarkable output is enough to power over 25,000 households, highlighting the significant contribution of this single project to the energy grid. Beyond its impressive performance, WindFloat Atlantic is playing a crucial role in reducing carbon emissions. The project has successfully prevented the release of over 33,000 tons of CO2 annually. This is equivalent to removing thousands of cars from the road, showcasing the positive impact of renewable energy on the environment. Section 4. Harmony with nature. Minimal environmental impact. Concerns about the environmental impact of offshore wind farms are understandable and essential to address. WindFloat Atlantic has been designed and operated with a commitment to minimizing any potential negative effects on the marine environment. Extensive studies have been conducted to assess the wind farm's impact on marine life. These studies have consistently shown that WindFloat Atlantic has no significant adverse effects on the surrounding ecosystem. The wind farm's design prioritizes environmental considerations. The platforms and turbines are positioned to minimize disturbance to marine habitats and migration routes. The project adheres to strict environmental regulations and monitoring protocols, ensuring its operations are in harmony with nature. Section 5. A haven for marine life, biodiversity thrives. Far from being a threat to marine life, WindFloat Atlantic has become a haven for various species. The structures have inadvertently created an artificial reef, attracting a diverse array of marine organisms. Over 270 different species have been observed thriving around the wind farm's platforms. Fish, crustaceans, and other marine creatures have found refuge and food sources in this newly created habitat, highlighting the potential for coexistence between renewable energy infrastructure and marine ecosystems. This unexpected benefit challenges the notion that offshore wind farms are inherently harmful to marine life. WindFloat Atlantic stands as a testament to the possibility of developing renewable energy projects that not only minimize negative impacts, but also contribute to biodiversity. Section 6. Global Inspiration, a surge in offshore wind energy. The success of WindFloat Atlantic has reverberated across the globe, sparking a surge in interest in floating offshore wind energy. New projects inspired by this pioneering project are being developed in various parts of the world, including the United States and the United Kingdom. The innovative technology showcased by WindFloat Atlantic has paved the way for a new generation of offshore wind farms. Governments and energy companies are recognizing the vast potential of floating wind farms, particularly in regions with deep coastal waters that were previously inaccessible for traditional wind energy projects. This global momentum is driving further innovation in the field. New installation methods, such as the elevator-style installation, are being explored to reduce costs and expedite the construction of floating wind farms. Section 7. A brighter future. Floating wind farms lead the way. As the world transitions away from fossil fuels, floating offshore wind farms are poised to play an increasingly vital role in the global energy mix. They offer a scalable and sustainable solution to meet the growing demand for clean energy. The potential of floating offshore wind is vast, particularly as technology continues to advance. The ability to harness wind energy in deeper waters unlocks vast, untapped resources, paving the way for a future powered by clean and renewable energy. WindFloat. Atlantic stands as a beacon of hope in a world grappling with the challenges of climate change and energy security. It is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of a future where clean energy and a healthy planet go hand in hand. As we look towards a brighter future, floating offshore wind farms stand at the forefront of this transformative journey.